Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs and toast. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon milk, a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk until blended. Heat a non-stick pan with 1 tsp butter over medium-low heat, pour eggs in, stir gently with a spatula until soft curds form, then remove from heat. Serve immediately with warm toast and a pat of butter. Warm the pan first, then melt 1 tsp butter and let it foam before adding eggs to prevent sticking and promote even cooking. Keep heat medium-low and stir slowly to form soft curds rather than large chunks. Taste and adjust seasoning near the end to avoid oversalting. If you like creamier eggs, fold in a small knob of butter off the heat and cover the pan briefly before plating. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for setting timers, streaming breakfast playlists, and keeping your hands free while you cook. It's compact and sounds great on the counter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it could brighten your kitchen routine. Now let's get back to the video. While eggs cook, pop your bread into the toaster at a medium setting for golden, crisp results. Butter the toast immediately so it melts and soaks in, then assemble your plate with eggs on one side and toast on the other. Consider adding sliced avocado, a sprinkle of chives, or a dash of hot sauce for brightness. Keep things simple to highlight the creamy eggs and crunchy toast combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.